I got a Lola Lucy! And it's the one I wanted! Because her hair moves like that.
Oh, wow.
Her hair moves. Thank you, Uncle David and Aunt Amy. This is the exact one I wanted. I love you. Open. Oh, the cat sings too. Oh, the kitty rattles. Okay. And Air Hogs RC Racers. It's an Air Hog RC helicopter. Awesome. I've been wanting this. Thanks, Uncle David and Aunt Amy. I really wanted this. Merry Christmas.